Be showing you how to turn on original sound in Zoom. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Zoom application. If you haven't downloaded that, be sure to download that first. Then once you're open in the Zoom application, go to the top left corner where it says zoom.us. Go to Preferences. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Audio, the Audio tab here. And what we're going to do now is come to the bottom right hand corner of this box and click on Advanced. Now you should see this box, Show in Meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. So we are going to make sure that that box is clicked. Now there's suppress persistent background noise. I'm just keeping that disabled. Suppress intermittent background noise, both disabled, and echo cancellation, I've put it on auto. Okay, so now we can come out of that. So now when we enter our meeting and we start our camera, hello, hi there. Now go to the top left corner. Turn on original sound. Now all of a sudden the sound coming through on Zoom should be much clearer than before. I hope that that is very helpful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to send me a private message. Have a good one.